This is a story of the vacuum cleaner salesman from Up and Down. Down on the spooky side of town, Mr. Noisy is about to find out what's up at Miss Scary's mansion. Boing, boing. You rang, Mr. Noisy. Hello, Mr. Bounce. Is Miss Scary home? I'd be going door to door with an incredible offer. Yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs feeding her bath. Well, perhaps she could come down for, and then they must be washed and hung to dry. Of course, but who is it down there? 1 minute. Boing, boing. Out we go. Boing, we. Well, who is it? Well, what's he want? Down we go. Boing, boing. What is it you want? I'm going door to door, selling. You are 1 moment. Boing, boing. Up the stairs. Why would I want a door? This place is loaded with doors. Tell him no thanks. Down we go. Boing, boing. Thank you, but she doesn't need a door. No, I am going door to door, selling this vacuum. Vacuum? Yes. Got it. Boing, boing, wee. What a day I'm having. Up the stairs, what he said. What is he saying? That my house is dirty? Tell him to go vacuum his own house. Down we go. Boing, boing. She says. I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vacuum. And what is more, she doesn't have to come downstairs because Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house. Hey, you're scaring my back. What's all the racket down there? That Miss Scary was Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner. The noisiest vacuum cleaner you can buy. I'm here to sell you this fine product. Oh, this one. Well, why didn't anyone say that? I'm always downstairs for salesmen. I always come downstairs to scare salesmen. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You fought!